The next 4 positions are especially useful. Each is an important 7-point eye shape, harder than rectangular 6 and common enough to deserve its own lesson. This side simply has one extra bend. I nicknamed the upper pair the fat and thin versions. The nickname is not a standard Western term. Both are Carpenter square shapes with one extra second line bend, Carpenter square with one bent end. This is the classic Carpenter square with one bent end shape. The name tells you the basic killing idea. Read the Chinese name literally as an instruction. If black neutralizes that one bent end, white is left with the dead Carpenter square on the bent end. The same move works in the other corner. The Han removes the extra points eye-making value. Only the L group remains. After the same hane in the opposite corner, the eye space again collapses to Carpenter's square. That is only the simplest kill. Outside hanes change the answer. We therefore need more than one memorized answer. The available kill changes when either first line hane becomes forcing. Start with the upper left. Assume the surrounding black stones are present. Black hanes, white blocks, and black returns inside to destroy the eye. The local order is Han, block, then return inside. White tries to enlarge the space, black descends before a second eye appears. Because the 2 black stones prevent white from making an eye, the inside becomes an unconditional kill, ending in a dead T4-like shape. Let white capture, then black hanes again. But the outside stones are crucial. The local eye shape alone is not enough. If white's capture and first line hane are forcing, black may fail to kill. Count the surrounding stones, they decide whether white's capture escapes and whether the first line hane is forcing. With a complete black enclosure, the hane works. Without that one stone, white captures and escapes. Try both 1 to 2 points and the 2 point. These candidate points come from the previous lesson. Test each, but check the outside. Both 1 to 2 points are natural eye-making points, while 2 often destroys the center of the eye space. Suppose white's hane is not forcing. White's outside hane is not forcing. When white's hanes go T, white cannot use it to connect underneath before black returns inside. White is left with 3 defenses: descend, play diagonally, or block. That removes one major defensive resource. Think of this as rectangular 6 with one extra point attached. The 2 center points of rectangular 6 remain the vital points. The extra point changes neither central vital point. If white takes this point, black descends and makes an eye in the corner. White hanes. Black hanes back. Bogey 5 remains. That hane cannot save white. Either way, white cannot live by simply enlarging the eye space. The diagonal move works the same way. The diagonal move fails for the same reason. Black occupies the vital point. White's simple extensions all fail, so white must use the move that changes black's liberties. With no forcing move outside, black extends to destroy the eye. Take the eye. Black then hanes to reduce the space. After black 5 reduces the eye space, the corner becomes a special shape, bent 4 in the corner. Bend 4 dies once co-threats run out. Bend 4 in the corner contains a co-mechanism, but under the normal condition, white cannot preserve a usable threat forever.